Does your trade report look like a wall of text you can barely read? You're not alone. Today, I'll show you how to use the Operations tab in Trades to Sheets to cut through the noise and turn a messy report into a crystal clear trading journal automatically. Connections, the handshake. First, let's bridge the gap between your broker and your sheet. Select your spreadsheet to set the destination. Input your IBKR query ID to identify your data source. Click Test Connections to watch the magic happen. When those indicators turn green, you're officially synced and ready to build. Entry Settings, the filter magic. Now for the fun part, the Operations tab. Let's name this Simplified USD Stocks. Think of entry settings as your personal data bouncer. Only the trades you want to get in. Set currency to USD to filter out international noise. Set asset class to SDK to ignore complex options or bonds. Set subcategory to common to keep ETFs out of this specific view. Set level of detail to execution to focus only on filled trades. Import settings, styling your data. Next, let's decide how your data lands on the page. Choose Insert as the import method to push your newest trades to the very top. Check import headers so you never forget what a column represents. Tick Sort before import and select Descending by Trade Date to keep your history organized from newest to oldest. Field settings, make it pretty. Finally, let's make it readable. Your brokers use technical names, but you don't have to. Select the fields you need: symbol, trade price, quantity, and trade date. Rename the labels to stock code, price, quantity, and date. The result: you've just turned a spreadsheet nightmare into a custom-branded trading dashboard. Ready to see it live? Click Reset Hash and force Run to trigger your first cleanup. From now on, every time you sync, Trades to Sheets does the heavy lifting for you. No more manual cleaning, no more clutter. Happy trading.